Hi everyone, it's Tash and welcome to another Wednesday recipe video, and today we're going to be making one really big French toast cheese waffle. Basically, imagine if you made a cheese toastie out of French toast, but you cooked it in a waffle. Simple but surprisingly effective. You can use any stretchy melty cheese you want for the filling. I'm going to be using two kinds, chili cheddar and mozzarella. But like I said, use any stretchy melty cheese you like, your favourite cheese. The key is to get as much cheese as you physically can into the waffles. So with all that said, let's go to the kitchen and see how it's done. To make the French toast bit, I'm going to start with a nice big dish, crack in 2 eggs, let's break them up a bit. Now I'm going to add in 80 milliliters of milk and a pinch of salt. Let's give this another beating. And now I have 2 super thick slices of bread. This is actually milk bread. I have a recipe for it which I'll link up above and down below now. You can use store-bought bread, any white bread, you can even use brioche. I'm just going to lay them down, flip them over. Flip them again, and I'm just going to let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also give them another flip halfway through, but by this time it's not necessary. It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the egg mixture has been absorbed very nicely. And we've also preheated a waffle iron, so I'm going to open it now and we're going to oil it. I have some melted unsalted butter. I'm going to brush it on the top and the bottom plates. I'm going to lay on 1 slice. And now the good bit, we're going to add some cheese, your favourite stretchy cheese. I like cheddar and mozzarella, so here I've got some chili cheddar. And we're going to concentrate in the middle. And I also have some mozzarella because I really like cheese. And I'm going to add one more cheese, one more cheddar rather, because why not? Let's put the top on, squish it down and let it cook. That was quite the sound. It's not going to fully close obviously because it's very thick, but we have smushed it down as much as possible. Now I'm just going to let it cook. This particular one beats by itself. Check after 5 minutes if yours doesn't have a timer, just keep checking. We're all cooked, let's have a look. Wow, that smells amazing. Okay, I'm going to rescue this and plate it up. I like to use a pair of chopsticks to get under there, like this. There we go. Ooh, we've got some cheese escapage. That's going to get all crispy and we're definitely going to come back and eat that later. That looks amazing and it smells so good too. Did burn my fingers a little bit doing the cheese ball, so I wouldn't recommend trying that at home. Let's go eat it. Wow, that is crazy. It's not crazy, it's cheese. Let me find a really cheesy corner. Cheers. Brunch of dreams. Fluffy soft French toast, a little bit crispy on the edges, lots of cheese. Beautiful. Check out those oozy insides. So there you go, cheese stuffed French toast waffles. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video and I hope you'll join me next Wednesday for my next one. Get the full written recipe on my blog tashcakes.com. Follow me on Instagram, I'm tashcakes.taste, and find me on TikTok too. I'm tashcakes there too, but my handle is food in slow motion. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Give this video a like if you'd like to help other people find it. Comment down below if you'd like me to make anything in particular, and I'll see you all next time. Be good, be nice, and have a good week. I'm going to be greedy and go eat the spilled crispy cheese off of the waffle iron now.